Alright, let's get real about electric vehicle batteries. If you've ever wondered, how long do EV batteries actually last? I've got you covered. There's a lot of hype and even more misinformation out there, so let's break it down with real data, not just opinions. First up, the numbers. Modern EV batteries lose, on average, about 2.3% of their capacity per year. So, if you start out with a 300-mile range, after 10 years, you're still looking at roughly 230 to 245 miles. Not too shabby, right? That's based on a massive analysis of more than 22,000 vehicles. And here's the kicker. A study in the UK with over 8,000 EVs found that even cars that are nearly a decade old still have, on average, 85% battery health. That's way above the 70% threshold most warranties guarantee. Now, you might be wondering, what really affects battery life? The answer: how you charge it. Slow, overnight charging at home is the gold standard. It keeps annual degradation to just 1.5%, but if you're always using those fast charging stations, like on a road trip, that number can double to 3% a year. So, keep it chill at home, and save the fast chargers for when you really need them. Worried about warranties? Don't be. In the US, federal law requires EV batteries to be covered for at least 8 years, or 100,000 miles, usually guaranteeing they'll hold at least 70% of their original capacity. Many brands go further. Toyota, for example, offers a 10-year, 1 million-mile warranty on some models. That's some real peace of mind. Here's another myth I want to clear up. Charging to 100% or running the battery all the way down doesn't really hurt the battery. As long as you don't leave it sitting at those extremes for days at a time. The real damage happens when you park your car for long periods with the battery either fully charged or completely empty. So, drive it like you normally would, and don't stress about hitting full charge before a trip. What about replacement costs? Yeah, they can be steep. Think $9,000 for a Chevy Bolt battery, and up to $24,000 for a Tesla Model S or X. But the good news? Most batteries will outlast the car itself, and if something does go wrong, sometimes you only need to swap out a module, which is way cheaper. And let's talk about tech. Batteries are getting better every year. Some, like BYD's Blade battery, are rated for over 745,000 miles. That's almost a lifetime of driving for most people. Plus, software updates can boost battery management and keep your range up over time. So, bottom line, the fear around EV battery life is mostly hype. If you treat your battery well, mainly by charging it right and keeping it out of extreme heat, it can last well over a decade and still have plenty of range. The future's looking bright for EV owners, and for anyone eyeing a bargain in the used EV market.